How to whiten the skin on your intimate area. Many women are dealing with dark skin in their private areas but are uncomfortable to talk about it. However, this shouldn't be a taboo subject. Talking openly about it and sharing information may help you resolve the problem by whitening the dark skin in that area naturally. Most women try to whiten the area with certain expensive products and procedures, but they often don't work and may have adverse side effects. Luckily for you, we have 3 amazing homemade remedies that will lighten the skin in your private area without any side effects and without burning a hole in your packet. Just remember that you should take proper care for your skin after starting the treatment. You should never expose your private area to the sun after applying the remedies, as they will make your skin more sensitive. Stick to the recommendations and you'll be fine. Whiten your private area with baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a great skin whitener and exfoliator. It will remove dead skin cells from your skin and stimulate cell renewal, which will result in smoother skin. Baking soda can be used with coconut oil and milk to prepare a great facial skin bleaching agent, but today we are presenting a remedy that will lighten the dark skin on your intimate area. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of water. Preparation: just mix all the ingredients to get a paste, then apply it on the affected area and rinse with water after 10 minutes. Repeat the process twice a week for best results. Whiten your private area with yogurt. It may seem strange to you, but yogurt can do wonders for your skin. Here's how to prepare a yogurt-based cream that will lighten the dark area on your private parts. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Instructions: apply the yogurt on the affected areas, then leave it to work for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water in the end. Repeat the treatment twice a week until you achieve the desired results. Whiten your private area with aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great ingredient for your skin. It can hydrate it and keep it healthy, but it can also be used to lighten the complexion. Here's how to use it to whiten the skin on your private parts. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Instructions: apply the gel on the affected areas and massage it into your skin, then let it work for 20 minutes before washing the area well with soap and warm water. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. There you go, 3 simple remedies that will lighten the dark skin in your private area. Try them yourself and you will be amazed by the results.